Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the Big D Coins channel. As you guys know, most of the time we spend talking about United States coins on this channel, but I have a special feature for you. We have some German euro cent coins to talk about today. In fact, we have one of each denomination, which makes it for a very fun video. We have a €2 coin right here, another €2 coin, but this one is a commemorative issue one. We have a €1 coin right here. Down below we have the 50, 20, and the 10 euro cent coin. And then we slide it up just a bit, and we've got the 5, 2, and the 1 euro cent coin. So in this video, we'll talk about the value of each of these coins, and we'll get into the mintages of them. One of the cool things about the German euro cent coins that you won't see on the other euro cent coins is that they have 5 different mint marks on them. So we've got a couple of F's right here, then we'll see a D down here, we've got a G right here. So many different mint marks on these coins, and we'll talk about them all today, as well as, of course, the designs of the coins. Now, you might have seen some of my other videos about these ones right here. These are the old German coins. This is the 10 Pfeffing right here, and we've got some, we've got a 50 Pfeffing. We've got the 1 Pfeffing. These ones are all the old coins that were replaced with these ones right here, which are the euro coins. Now, let's start talking about these ones right here. This one right here is a commemorative issue, so I'm going to set that aside, and we'll talk about these two regular circulating strike coins right here, which are the 2 and the 1 euro coin. The one on the left is actually dated 2017. That makes it a little bit different because it has what's known as the second map on the reverse side of the coin. So the reverse side is the generic euro side, and then the one that we're looking at right here is the obverse, which has the country specific side to it. All right, so what we're looking at right here for these two coins, on the obverse we see the eagle, which is a traditional symbol of German sovereignty. It's surrounded with the 12 stars of Europe. So we see that for both of these coins right here. The difference being that one is the 2 euro coin, the one on the left, and the one on the right is the 1 euro coin. The 2 euro translates to about $2.28 United States cents, so that makes the 1 euro coin translate to about $1.14. As far as the metal content of these two coins go, they are bimetallic copper nickel clad nickel center. So the center of them looks like it is nickel. Then on the outside, it's a nickel brass ring. So that's what we have for the 1 euro coin. The one on the left, which is the 2 euro coin, that one has kind of the opposite. They kind of switched. So on this one right here, we have a copper nickel ring going around the outside, and then this one has a copper nickel ring core. Then this one right here has a nickel brass center. This one right here has a nickel brass ring going around the outside of it. All right, now let's talk about the mintages of these. To know the mintages, you have to know the different mint marks. So we have A for Berlin, D for Munich, F for Stuttgart, G for Karlsruhe, and J for Hamburg. Those are 5 different mints that they use. As you guys noticed, we went from A to J and only mentioned 5 different ones. So there are some letters that are missing. Those are the old mints that they used to use in Germany. However, they stopped using them, but they did not switch over those letters to different mints. So when Germany stopped using a certain mint, such as the B or the C or the E mint, they just stopped using those letters altogether so as to not kind of confuse people as far as what mints they were from. So the A stands for Berlin, D for Munich, F for Stuttgart, G for Karlsruhe, and J for Hamburg. Now we've got 2017 on the left for the 2 euro coin. I'll give you mostly just the Berlin mintages throughout the entire series of this video. That way I'm not talking about mintages the entire time. So the Berlin 2017, we had 12.2 million of these ones that were made. So that's relatively low when we talk about coins. Now the one on the right is dated 2005. And at the Berlin Mint, there are only 100,000 of them that were made. Most of them in 2005 were made at the J Mint, which is the one that I've got right here. Let me just rotate that a little bit in case you are having trouble seeing that mint mark. Yep, definitely a J. So that one, there were 59 million of these made at the J mint mark in 2005. Now I'll flip it over so we can see the two different design changes on these maps right here. We've got the €2. This is the second map. And then on the left and the first map on the right. So we can see some different design changes right here. This one looks much better than this old one right here. So I think they did well by changing up this map design right here. All right, now let's bring in that 2017 commemorative issue. So it will have the same exact reverse side to it, that second map, because it's one of the newer ones. But then when we flip it over, we've got a different design. So let's get into this one right here. We can talk about the design for a while. So on this design, this is a commemorative issue that came out just in 2017. It's got that same metal content as the other €2 that we were looking at before. But on the obverse, we see the design, which shows the Porta Interior, which is probably the best preserved Roman city gate north of the Alps. The inner part also features the name Reinhold Pulse and the issuing of the country's code D at the bottom. The mint mark is respective mint A, D, F, G, and J appear at the left of the year 2017. So we've got the mint mark right there. So we see this other letter. So all of them will have the same D on them. And then some of them have the F right there. We've also got the CH, which is the designer's initials right here. And then we've got 2017 at the top. As far as the mintages of this coin goes, the one that I have right here is F. So there are 7 million of these that were made. And across the different mintages, across the different mints, there are between 4 and 7 million of these that were made. It was a commemorative issue coin, so it's rather cool that I was able to get my hands on this one right here. So a €2 coin, commemorative issue from Germany. So some very nice coins right here. And now, so we looked at these two €2 coins. The regular issue, the commemorative issue, both in 2017. We talked about this one right here, which is the 2005 €1 coin. And now we'll quickly go through these ones right here. We spent a lot of time on those, so I don't want to make the video too long. And then we have the 50, 20, and the 10 euro cent coins. Now, as you can see, the metal content did change between the ones that we spent most of the time looking at and these ones right here. This one right here is the Nordic gold metal content. What we're looking at the obverse is the Brandenburg Gate, which is a symbol of division in Germany and then its subsequent unification. So this symbol right here divided Germany, and then it later reunited Germany. So it's a cool image for them to include on their coin. Now, all of these are dated 2002, which is pretty interesting. So for the 50 euro cent coin in 2002, the mint that I've got right here is F. So in 2002, at the F mint mark, excuse me, hold on one second. There were 430 million of these that were made. On the 20 euro cent coin at the F mint mark, there were 421 million of them that were made. And then the final one has the J mint mark on it. There were 758 million of the 10 euro cent coins that were made at the J mint mark. So very high mintages across the board for these because they're dated 2002, which is the first year that they came out. And now on to the three smallest coins that we've got right here. We've got the D mint mark for the 2002 5 euro cent coin. Now these are copper plated steel, so we switched up the metal content for the 5, 2, and the 1 euro cent coin. At the D mint mark, there are 504 million of these that were made, so 500 million of these ones right here. At the G mint mark, which is the center one, which is the 2 euro cent coin, there were 311 million, and then the smallest of them right here, it's the mint mark is right there. It's a very small, got to zoom in a lot because it's a small coin, but we see the D mint mark on the 1 euro cent coin, and then the D mint mark for the 1 euro cent coin. There are 840 million of them that were made. Wow. So almost 1 billion of these were produced at just one mint. So that's quite a lot of coins that were made at just the J mint mark. So it looks like for 2002, all of the 1 euro cent coins had very high mintages on them. So I also didn't talk about the design yet, so let's touch upon that. For the design of this coin, we see a oak twig, which symbolizes stability. And then, of course, it's surrounded with the 12 stars of Europe. In case you hadn't noticed, I'll quickly show you that the 12 stars of Europe are on all of these coins right here. So taking it back to the 50, 20, and the 10 euro cent coin, which are made out of that Nordic gold and have the Brandenburg gate on them. We see the 12 stars of Europe going around the outside. So we get the 50, the 20, and the 10. And then taking it back to the original three that we looked at right here, we have the 12 stars of Europe going around the 2 euro cent coin, the commemorative 2 euro cent coin, and then the regular 1 euro cent coin. All right, everyone, that's all I've got for today. We spent a lot of time looking at these first ones right here and then quickly breezed through the 50 to the 1 euro cent coin. So maybe I'll go back and make another video about those ones and spend more attention to those. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Best of luck coin collecting.